Have you ever pondered what distinguishes the innocent from the guilty when society has already formed its opinion about you? This evening, I wish to address those who understand the heavy burden of being misjudged, who bear the weight of others' false beliefs while safeguarding their own reality. Your silence does not signify guilt, it reflects wisdom. Let them interpret your quietness as an admission of wrongdoing. You recognize it as the stillness of someone protecting the truth. Stand firm, yet gentle loneliness cannot overshadow a clear conscience. In a world that insists on explanations for everything, sometimes the most impactful response is simply being aware of who you are when no one else seems to grasp it. The loneliness you experience is genuine, and I will not belittle that suffering. When others perceive guilt where innocence resides, when rumors trail behind you and assumptions lead the way, the sense of isolation can be suffocating. But here's what I want you to realize. The most isolated souls are not those who walk alone, but those whose truth remains hidden. Yet, it is within that silence that integrity shines. Your solitude is not a punishment, it is a refuge. It is the sacred space where your true self remains untainted by others' misconceptions. History shows us that truth has always been tenacious. As one wise voice reminds us, to be slandered is a greater trial than to be ill. When the slander is unfounded, it is martyrdom. When it is accurate, it is purgatory. But whether the slander is false or true, it is ultimately overshadowed by the truth, and the truth rises from the depths where it has been cast. Like justice emerging from the well, your truth will come to light. It always does. Time has a unique way of uncovering what hasty judgments conceal. The world might have judged you without knowing your full story, yet their opinion does not dictate your reality. Being scrutinized does not imply guilt. It merely shows that the world often confuses your silence for admission. Embrace your truth. Loneliness will yield to the bravery of someone who refuses to let others define them. You hold something far more precious than their validation. You hold your integrity, and that is steadfast. Keep in mind the truth that quietly ignites within you. It is a subtle light, hidden from those who are blinded by their own darkness. When the world misinterprets you, cling to this. Loneliness is not merely the lack of companionship, but the power to stand firm in your innocence. This power is not rooted in resentment, but in the deep tranquility that arises from truly knowing yourself. Your path through misunderstanding is transforming you into a person of extraordinary resilience. Each day, you opt for truth over ease, integrity over acceptance. You grow stronger. The solitude you experience today is crafting the unyielding foundation of who you will become tomorrow. Stand proud in your truth. Allow your conscience to guide you, and let your innocence illuminate your way. The world will eventually catch up, but you don't have to wait for their recognition to understand your value. Thank you for welcoming these words into your space. If this message touched your heart, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support enables this light to reach others who are navigating a similar journey through the darkness. Remain steadfast in your unwavering truth,